Ready to transform your lead nurturing process with automated email magic. Let's dive into creating a powerful email drip campaign in Follow Up Boss, designed to keep your leads engaged and moving down the sales funnel. First, navigate to the automation section. You can typically find this in the main settings menu, often represented by a gear icon. Click the New Action Plan button to start creating your drip campaign. This will open a new window where you can configure your campaign settings. Give your action plan a descriptive name, for example, Newbeer Lead Nurturing or Seller Prospect Follow-Up. This will help you easily identify and manage your campaigns later. Then, in the type field, select email. Next, click the Add Action button to start building your email sequence. This is where you'll define each email in your campaign. In the email action settings, craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention. Then, write your email body. Remember to personalize your messages whenever possible using merge fields, such as the lead's first name. Now, specify the delay for this email. This determines how long after the campaign is triggered that this email will be sent. For example, you might set the first email to send immediately, the second after 3 days, and so on. Repeat steps 57 to add more emails to your sequence, creating a series of targeted messages designed to nurture your leads over time. Once you've added all your emails and configured their settings, click the Save button to save your action plan. Finally, assign your new action plan to your leads. You can do this manually from their profile or automatically using Lead Flow and Lead Source integrations, and just like that, you're automating your email marketing in Follow Up Boss.